A minus B. This one you must remember. Second one, oh, it's in your bag all along. Okay, second one is where you have both of it. The same sign, right? Then we will write it as A plus B square, which is A square plus 2AB plus B square. The third one you need to remember is when both are negative. So it is A minus B square. So A square minus 2AB plus B square. So these are the three special product rules you need to memorize. No choice one. This one must memorize. Okay, these three. And then you need to remember how to do the cross product rule, which is this one. Okay, let me do the A square. Okay, something like this. No, let's not use this one. X squared.
It looks like a weapon.
Okay, so if I ask you to factorize, when you see the word factorize, you need to break it up into its factors. So you either use this one, or calculator. So this one we will write x squared 4. So x times x, 4 times 1. So 4 times x is 4x. X times 1 is x. You always add the last column. So double check that this one is the same. Then your two factors are x plus 4. The other one is x plus 1. Okay, alternatively, put the x square here, put the 4 here. The dimension of this piece is x by x. The dimension of this piece is 4 by 1. So this one will be 4x. And then this one will be x. You always need to check that this thing is 5x. So if it's correct, then your two factors are these. Okay, calculator, when you press the mode, right? Choose the equation. And then choose polynomial. Okay, with degree 2. Okay, so once you write this, you will they will ask you to key in 1, 5, and 4. So your calculator will give you two answers. One is this, one is minus 4. So you need to work backwards to get x plus 1. This one you will get x plus 4. So you will see that you will get these two also. So there's 3 methods. You must know one. Okay, because you need to use this to factorize. And then if I have grouping, example, I have this one. Okay, if you do 2 by 2 and you end up having 2 groups here, but it is similar. So when you swap this, okay, let me change this to minus so that you can appreciate it better. Okay, when you swap this, remember you need to reverse the sign here. So if it's a plus, change to minus. If it's a minus, change to plus. Then this one you can write as x minus 2y. Then now you can take out the common factor, this whole piece. So you'll be left with 3 plus 5y. So the entire chapter 3, you need to remember these 3 special product rule. Okay, you need to remember either one of this method to factorize. Okay, and then the last one is the grouping one. Factorize by grouping when you have 4 terms. Okay, this is when you have 3 terms. You will use this. Okay, when you have the special situation where your first one and the last one, they are perfect squares, you know you can use these 3 formula. The first one and the last one are perfect squares. So example I can give you is 4x squared, and then I have a 9 behind. Okay, middle there's a term here, so it will be 12x. Okay, so you check if your first term is a perfect square, your last term is a perfect square. You can suspect that most likely I need to use 1, 2, or 3. So since this is a plus, you know you must use number 2. This one. So I rewrite this. This is 2x squared. This at the back is 3 squared. So the middle is always 2ab. So I put my a here. I put my b here. You can see that this thing is 12x, which is correct. So your final answer will be 2x plus 3 squared. So this is how you factorize. But if you don't want to use special product, you want to use any of these 3 also can. Okay? So this is what you have learned in chapter 3 is the foundation for 4. So I need to remind you so that you remember all this. Okay, this one you can rewatch it for revision for your WA2. Okay, the bottom part I put 2x squared y cubed. Then I want to simplify. So I tell myself between 4 and 6, I can also divide by 2. Same thing.
So 2xy divided by 3.
Correct. So the x on top, I have 1. The x at the bottom, I have 2 of them. So I'm going to cancel one of them out.
Then 2 divided by...
Wait, still got a y. So on top, I have 1y. At the bottom, I have y times y times y. I have 3 of them. So I cancel 1 out, left 2. So after I simplify, in the numerator, I'm only left with 2. In the denominator, I'm left with 3xy squared. So this is called simplifying algebraic fractions. You cancel off the terms that are common between the two of them. Just that last time we tried to put them on level ground, but now is when they are in a fraction, I can simplify them by cancelling them out. So the simplify in this way is cancel common factor. Okay, we cancel out those that are common.
Wait, Miss Huang, why is it y squared?
Because I have 3 here, it was like y times y times y at the bottom, but at the top I only have 1. So I cross out 1, I still have 2 left. So that's why I still got y squared.
Why can't you cross out the other y?
There's only 1 on top. So I can only cross 1. It needs to be a fair exchange. I take out 1 means the bottom I must take out 1. I cannot take out 2 at the bottom. Can? So simplifying is this thing. So how do we do that? Okay, so this one, all this chunk is talking about the same thing. Just that in algebraic fraction, it is not just numbers. You will see letters in the numerator and denominator. Okay, so first thing first. Okay, this one just now I recap already, so I don't recap anymore. We will try an example here. So I want to simplify. So on top is as good as I have a times a, then I have a b. At the bottom is as good as I have this. Okay, you don't need to be so elaborate, but I just want to visually show you what I share in common. So one of the b is common, I cross out. From here, I have 2 a's. Okay, and then I have 1 b. So I'm just writing it out, laying out all my cards. Okay, this one I have 1 a. This one I have b squared. So now I'm crossing out the things I have in common. So I realize 1a is common also. So I cross out. And then between the 3 and the 12, both I can divide by 3. Left 1, divide by 3, left 4. So what am I left with in the numerator? Just a only, right? 1a. So just write a. A left only. Okay, then bottom I have a 4 here.
4b.
Yes, and then I have a b. So it's 4b at the bottom. So my simplified fraction is just a over 4b. Okay, so it's just crossing out things that I have in common in the numerator and denominator. So now let's look at b. What is the thing that I have in common? What is the thing I have in common? Between 20 and 15?
5.
Okay, so I divide by 5, left 4. Divide by 5, left 3. Okay, what about the c's? I have 1c on top and 3c at the bottom. So I just cross 1 out. Then this one left 2. Okay, I left 2 now. Okay, next one. D, I have 2 on top, but 1 at the bottom. So I cross out 1 of it. This one gone. So when you cancel carefully. You don't anyhow cancel until you cannot read the question. So what am I left with on top?
4D.
4D.
And then 3C squared.
And then 3C squared. Done. You can always at this point check again. Still got anything in common I miss out or not. Then you can continue cancelling. Okay? Okay, but now the problem is when I start to see a plus, I cannot cancel like that. I cannot say, oh, this one can cancel. Cannot. It must be 1 for all for 1. So first thing first, before you can start cancelling, when you see plus or minus, you need to do factorization first. So always remind yourself first. Factorize first. When you see plus, when you see minus, you must go and factorize first. So let's take out common factor. What is common for the numerator? What is common for the numerator? What do they share in common? Raif, you're so engrossed. It's like got show playing on the... A only? 2A. So I'm going to take out 2A from here. So take out 2 left 2. Take out A left 2x. Okay? Then I'm going to take out 2A here. So left plus y. So this is after I factorize. Okay, now I'm going to factorize my denominator. So what is common between them? Just x. So I take out that 1x, left with 2x. I take out this 1x, left with plus y. Now can you see that they share a group of terms that are common? So when the plus is inside a bracket, you can cancel the whole thing together. So now, this whole group is the common factor I cross out. I'm left with 2a over x. So when you see plus or minus in your fraction, you must factorize first. Remember that you cannot cancel them one by one. You must group them first. Okay, so this is the important thing for question 1.
So the 2A is from the top.
Yes. Okay, let's do the same thing for the numerator here. What is common for the numerator? 3b. So I'm going to take out the 3. Take out means divide. Take out the b. So left 3x. Take out the 3 left 2. Take out the b left minus 2y. Okay. Okay, repeat the same step for denominator. What do they share in common? 4x. So let's take out 4, left 3. Take out 1x, only left with that 1x. So I have 3x here. Take out 4, left 2. Take out the x, left minus 2y. Can you see that you have a group of terms that are the same again? Take out the whole group. So final answer is 3b over 4x. So when there's no plus or no minus, you can straight away cancel. But when there's plus or minus in the numerator, go and factorize first. Okay, so this is the crucial step.
It's not nice. This is better.
Okay? Can ah? Not as complicated.
Yes, it has just started.
Yeah, it's the beginning.
Beginning.
Be what?
In the beginning.
How do you say that wrongly so accurately?
In the beginning.
One more time?
In the beginning.
You can say me, I cannot. Again? Try one more time? Yeah, he really know the wrong thing.
Beginning. In the beginning.
What be,
In the beginning. In the beginning. In the beginning.
everybody is saying it differently. Okay, never mind, enough.
In the beginning.
Okay, move on. This one. Okay, when you see plus or minus in the numerator, factorize first. So this one, what is common between them? So I take out the 2x. Step 1, take out the 2, left 4. Take out 1x, left 2x. So it's 4x squared. Okay, I take out 2, left 3. Take out 1x, left 3t. Okay, at the bottom, I have 18tx. Then I realize, oh, this time round I don't have a common group that I can cancel. But I can observe whether there's something in common between these two. Because now I have made sure my plus is inside a group already. So it's contained within here already. I can ignore it now. I can just deal with these two. So what is common between them? So I cancel the 2. Left 9. I cancel the x. No more. So in the numerator, I'm left with this and 9t. Cannot simplify anymore because there's a plus here and that they are not in a group. So unless I can cancel the whole thing, if not I cannot touch it anymore. Done.
Group divide.
So you realize this person is like the zombie. You trap it in the room already. Then you can go and save the people outside. Okay, once it's out, you cannot do anything about it anymore. Just leave it as on its own. So it is only when the plus is kept within a group, you either eliminate the whole group or eliminate people outside. Okay, remember that.
I'm gonna call it a zombie technique.
Zombie technique? I've never thought about it like that. Okay, next. You see a minus here. So you must do factorization first. This is rule number 1. So 25mn cannot change. But the bottom I can factorize. What is common?
5.
Only 5m. So I take out 5m. I'm left with 1m. Okay, I take out 5, left 3. Take out the m, left minus 3n. So I realize I don't have a group that I can cancel out. So I leave it alone. Whoever who is outside, I can simplify now. So let me cancel the 5.
5n.
And then I cancel the m. So in the numerator is 5n. Denominator is m minus 3n now. Don't need the bracket anymore because there's nobody outside.
Someone's outside.
Okay?
Oh my god. So group and then divide.
Correct. Okay? In question 2, you will start to see why chapter 3 is important. Because you need to factorize them individually. So one question like that can be 3 or 4 marks because there's numerous steps. Okay, so let's look at the first one. How do you think I can factorize this? So this one you observe. Can you see this one perfect square? This one perfect square? Then this one is minus. So you must suspect maybe I need to use this formula. Maybe I need to use this formula. So let's try to break this up. This is 2x squared. Yeah, now you know why this foundation is important because it's used here.
Oh my god.
Here is 5 squared. So my a square and b square is out. I just need to make sure that the middle is the same. So I follow this. Minus 2ab. So I put my a inside.
4x.
2x. I put my 5 here. So I check. Is the middle term minus 20x?
Yeah.
It is, right? So I know I'm done. Actually, the numerator I can factorize like this. So it's actually a minus b squared. So I have just factorized my numerator. If you prefer to do this, also can. If you want to do this, also can. You want to use calculator, also nobody is stopping you. So as long as the top part, I see this one. Some of you don't like to write like that. You prefer to write like that, it is also okay. That means if you prefer to write it 2 times, also can. Okay, now the bottom. Look at the bottom. How should I factorize this? Are they both perfect squares? So can I suspect that maybe I need to use this one? Okay, so likely I need to use a plus b, a minus b. So first thing, I need to break this into the squares. So this is 2x square. This one is 5 square. So at the denominator, when I factorize, it will become this. 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5. So what I'm doing is, the top part, I have just factorized it into this. The bottom part, I factorize into this. So they are in 2 groups, but they share a group in common. Can you see that both of them shares 2x minus 5? So cross that out. So your final answer is just this one. So it is pretty disgusting, right? So this one is like your chapter 3, one part of the question, right? You are asked to factorize 2 marks. Okay, and then at the bottom, you also factorize this, okay, into this. So your third mark. And then final answer, when you cancel out, you get this, the 4th mark. Okay, so sometimes they can give up to 4 marks. Sometimes they are a bit stingy. You change this to this, 1 mark. You change this to this, 1 mark. Final answer, 1 mark, so 3 marks. So they are testing what your chapter 3 skills in a fraction. Okay? So now, can I give you some time to try to factorize these 2 separately? Treat them as 2 different questions from chapter 3 and go and factorize them like this. Okay, you will end up having this, and then at the bottom, this. You will be able to factorize like that. And there will be one group that is the same. Okay, try. Try to factorize the red one. The red one, the hint is to use a plus b, a minus b. Okay, and then because this is perfect squares, you know that the hint is this one.
Oh man.
Okay, you can use this. Okay, try. See whether you can change this to this. Follow exactly part A. It's the same. Okay, then part B, you need to do this. Plus 2AB plus B squared. So that's why they give you 3 or 4 marks for this. You need to factorize twice.
For 1 question.
4 again.
Your brain hurts.
So if I just
mathing.
full marks 4 of this, it's 16 marks.
Yeah. If they ask you 4 questions in the paper lah, but shouldn't be.
Math should stop mathing.
You give us 31 mark question.
Okay, 9x square. If I break it into bracket square, what should the number be inside? 3x.
Oh, I got it correct.
Okay, 4 is what square? So if I use the rule, I will have 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. So this is the first top part.
Oh, and then I forgot.
Okay, now bottom, same thing. 9x square, I change it to 3x square. 4, I change it to 2 square. So we just copy only. This one copy here. This one copy here. Can you see that the middle one, this one gives you 12x, which is exactly what you want. So now you can change it to a plus b and another a plus b. Both a plus b. So this one I'm using number 2. This one I'm using number 1. So once you reach this step, find the thing that is in common. What is in common? Yes, then cancel the whole thing out. So the answer is just this one. Okay? Okay, we'll do very, very slowly. Not slow enough.
So, red.
It's all the numerator.
Oh.
Then blue is all the denominator. I'm factorizing them separately.
Yeah, I need to watch tutorials on YouTube.
Mathematics.
Yeah, I need to watch a lot of mathematics.
Okay. Let's try C. Okay, this one let's separate it. So the red one and the blue one. You can highlight if it helps you. Okay, the red one, I cannot use special product rule because they are both not perfect. One perfect square, this one is perfect square, but this one not. So I cannot use the special product rule. I must go back to this one or your calculator. So I try first, 2x square, one must be 2x, one must be x. Then the last one here, I must put minus 1. So I ask myself, one must be plus, one must be minus. But I cannot decide which one minus first. So I'm going to find this one first. 2x times 1. So this is 2x. 1 times x. So it's x. But my objective is to get minus x. So between 2x and x, who needs to be negative? 2. So this must be the negative 1. So that when I multiply, I get negative. And then when I check these two, I get minus x. Same one here. Okay, so now I've sorted out my factorization. The top one must be 2x plus 1 and x minus 1. So the top part, I'm settled. So this one I factorized already. Okay, now for the bottom, I ask myself, is the first and the last perfect squares? If they are, likely I can use special product rule. So I'm going to use this. So this one is a plus b, a plus b. So this is the rule I'm going to use. So I need to change it to this, 2ab plus b squared. So the a become 2x, the 1 become 1 squared. So copy this here. Then you check, is the middle term 4x? Then you check, yes, correct. That means the factorization is correct for sure. So in the denominator now, I'm going to change it to 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So can you see that now they share something in common?
Oh my god.
So they will always share something in common that you can cancel out. So the final answer is just x minus 1, 2x plus 1.
Miss Song, the next question, can you go relatively slower?
Okay.
No. Go slower for F.
Oh, yeah, and F2.
Can.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so this one is x minus 1, this is 2x plus 1. This is the final answer. Okay, so it's now my chapter 3. I put it into the fraction, the numerator and denominator. Do them separately, then you cross out. So now for the next 10 minutes, can you try DEF on your own? Try. Okay, do. The thinking process, when you see two terms and they are both perfect squares, you will always think of this. This is the thought process. So I should change my 4 to 2 square. I must change my 9x square into 3x bracket square. So this is the first step. So my A is sorted out. It is 2. My B is 3x. So when I factorize it, I should get A plus B, A minus B. So 2, 1 plus, 1 minus. So can you see for the top one, I am just applying the rule. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, I'm using this one. Okay, this is the first part. I'm just doing numerator. I haven't even touched denominator. Okay, now I want to handle my denominator. So I'm going to focus on 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. The first two terms, the first and the last one is not perfect square. So I know I cannot use the 3 rules. Must be this one. Okay, so I ask myself, the first one, 3x squared must go here. So 1 must be 3x, 1 must be x. The length and the breadth. Okay, then I have a minus 8 here. So I have a few numbers to think about, 1 and 8 and 2 and 4. So I need to decide what is the dimension of that rectangle so that eventually I must get 10x. So I think about the numbers maybe I can use is, what if I put the 4 here, I get 12x. If I put the 2 here, I get 2x. There is a high chance that I can make this equal to 10x if one of them is negative. So if I want 10x, this must be the minus. So that when I add them, it gets 10x very nicely. So if this is minus, it means this one must be minus. So that I can get minus 2x. Then I check again. Minus 2 times 8 times 4, is it minus 8? It is. So I know I'm done. The two factors would be 3x minus 2. And then the other one is x plus 4. Okay? So when you look at it, okay, I want you to see that, can you see that they are slightly different? One of it is 3x minus 2, but the one here is 2 minus 3x. So your suspicion is I need to swap. So what you can do is swap one of the numbers. So maybe I swap the one below. I put a negative in front. Then I change this to 2 minus 3x. Okay, x plus 4, no change. So now they are exactly the same. I can cross them out already. So where do I put the minus? I put it outside of the fraction so that I don't have to expand them in. So my answer is just this. But if you don't want, you prefer to expand in, then you can give me answer as this. Also fine. So either or, both are acceptable as an answer. You either put the minus all the way in front, or you expand in and put it in the numerator. So either case, it is correct. Okay, so the rules are important. Make sure you can do. If not, chapter 4 is also gone. Right? Like what I told you. This is your downfall. Just think of it as playing a game with numbers and letters.
Can math stop math?
Nope. Never. I got a next 2 period somewhere else.
I'd rather get my brain fried.
Okay, maybe I will get Zheng Yue to help me because he's brain fried many times like goreng pisang. Okay, these two terms, make use of this. Can you tell me what will you end up with? 1 plus 1 minus. If you use this rule. How can you change this?
3A,
3A. Then this one is?
2B,
Yes. So what should I put here in the two bracket? 3A plus. Yes. Then the other one?
3A minus 2.
Yeah, that's all. So the numerator, you just factorize into these two. Okay, denominator, there's no 3 terms. They are not perfect square. It is just a normal extract common factor question. So, TJ, can you tell me what is common for these two? What can I take out?
A.
Just 8. So, what am I left with?
2B plus 3A.
Okay, very good. 2B plus 3A. Okay, so when you look at it, right, these two, although different order, I don't need to change it because 1 plus 5 and 5 plus 1 is the same thing. So actually these two I can cancel out already. I don't even need to change position. I know they are equal. So I can cross this out and then this is my answer. Okay? So you look at the practice now, right? The whole set of practice now. This one is your homework.
There's This one NAPA. we actually have now. And that's
Oh.
actually 68.
Tomorrow is tomorrow. No, please tell me tomorrow. Today is today. Today is the present, right?
No.
Today is the gift, right? Yeah, only like a few examples.
Only a few. You're trying to kill us.
No.
You know we're very tired after NAPA, then you make our brains tired after that.
You can on your bus journey to
It's
TJC.
very crowded, a lot of people inside. There's no space.
Okay, wait.
How
I'll
about
see
the
later.
first one? Like,
Okay, do all the odd.
what?
That means A, C, E, F. Okay, I circle for you. I circle for you. Okay, you do A, C, E, F.
No, do even.
Why?
Even. Just do even.
You just want to say everything else, oh. Okay,
Easier.
no lah, same. Really? Okay, okay, I let you do the right side. So this one. Okay, so you do B, D, F, G. And then next page, E7 questions. Small question. Okay, this one we do 1, 2, 3. I want the F okay, actually it's the same.
Wow, thank you.
You do the 1, 3, 5. Only then the F behind only. Oh no. Okay, so very already. Guys, I have the question.